Ceasefire! Get off the firing line! Sec, I'm playing. Take one.
Take one, you said?
Yep, take one for Lex.
Takes a minute. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Action.
Alright, shoulder. Safety. Start firing.
Is it recording already?
When you hit start, it starts recording.
All right, perfect. Are you ready? Pressing start. 3, 2, 1. Shoulder the rifle. Look to your left real quick. Let go, let go.
Start over. Oh my god, this guy's a fud.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.
3, 2, 1. Start picking up the rifle. Shoulder the rifle. Off safety.
Who in the hell do you think you are?
I missed that shit. Big time.
Okay.
One more shot.
You're gonna have to. You heard luck. Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have luck, bud. Papá, ¿qué pasa? I blame the owner of that. Red dot.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
See if I can do it.
Gotta get them practicing, you feel me? The same way people wake up and they hit bench press. These are my bench press right here.
You're never gonna defeat 220 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal.
The one thing you had to. Hey, you said it's in my car?
Yeah. How to do?
Hold on, nigga.
Yo, chat. Tell Macho to put the money.
In the bag! Put it in!
You're facing the wrong way, sir.
6-shot Bill drill. I'm going for the right target. That's my target. Let's try to hit all A. Shoot ready.
No. It was 6. I'm about to do what Javon did. I'm about to take out 4 rounds because I don't want to have to count.
Why you gotta expose
it was 6. I only see 2 shots.
Yeah. It's only my 3rd day out here. I don't know.
There's only 2 hits.
Keep this hand here. This is your squeeze hand. This hand is just gonna go in this place.
There's Javon, the shooter's ready.
Shooter game. I mean, shooter ready.
Yeah. Damn, that was trash. Yeah, I threw a drone up.
All right, guys, this is for 20. Just 20 on the line. $20?
Yeah, $20.
You think it's $20?
It's $20. You guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Cease fire! Oh, you did get 1A.
Lex.
Lex got A.
Oh, so I won, pussy. Take a picture. I'm on my phone.
A. No, I got 1D, 1C, the line of Charlie, and then C. 2 C's.
I missed 4.
There's gonna be a close one between me and Lex.
Oh yeah, I'm out of the running.
He out of it. Me and Lex, close one. But I'm taking that from here now on. I'm locking in. I'm taking that 20,000 home.
Tape the holes up, dickhead.
Lex, here.
He has the wireless mic on. He's not gonna pick anything you're saying up.
He think he's talking to the mic right now, guys. But I got the wireless mic. So all the insult comments that I'm not receiving them. So W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Yo, much.
Mind your business.
That money coming out of your bank and it's going straight into mine. How you like that? How you like that?
What are you talking about?
You like that?
There's no prize. No longer a prize.
There's no longer a prize?
No, no longer a prize.
You will not be leaving this part of the woods.
Prize. I can get to mine with 3 years.
Yeah?
Yeah, yours got a magnet?
Mags are right here, brother.
Mine has a magnet.
It's all right.
Mine has a magnet.
I'll take this body shield that I carry with me 24/7, 724 out of the time. I don't gotta worry about it.
24? What?
7
24/7?
backwards and forward. Just
You do
saying.
like it backwards, don't you?
Whoa. Depending on what we're talking about.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You guys ready? Hell yeah. You ready? Ready? Bye. Dude, what's this piece of shit you gave me?
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Oh!
He was too ready.
You don't want it now. Give it to me.
What happened?
You got me. That's a mechanic. Let me go one more.
Oh shit! First shot.
Whoa. Why you say it like that? Why you say it like that? Like the mechanic is a bad thing. Oh, man.
Say it a little louder. Mechanic shitty. We heard it here first.
Says the guy with his Ev.
Better than, right?
Says the guy with his Ev.
Ready? Yeah. You guys ready? You pay for what you get. You ready? That's 7. Son, I'm gonna be honest, bro. You almost got them all in, bro. Almost. You was on the line going straight down. Yeah.
Let's go see what he did.
120?
Shitty.
129.
He's all over the A zone.
Big ass back.
All over the A zone.
Yo. Where's first
Good
shot?
shit, brother.
Everywhere I go.
This was like your last 2 shots.
Yeah.
I think first shot was this. I know I've seen this after.
I think this was.
Bye, have a great time.